Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. So the other day I was walking through Builders' gardening section and I came across these fantastic boxes. They're gardening boxes and it comes in a set of 2. And I thought to myself, it looks fantastic, but I can repurpose and make this into something else. So I came up with these book boxes. Let me show you how I made them. The tools and products required to complete this project are a set of garden boxes, a jigsaw, a speed square, pencil, a pair of scissors, duct tape, sticky vinyl, an offcut of plywood, acrylic paint, and a paintbrush. So this is the smaller of the 2 garden boxes, but as you can see, the base is slatted and books would fall right through that, so it wouldn't make a very good book box. So what we're going to do is make a base for this using plywood. All it means, we have to cut it out according to the shape of this box and then slot it in place, cover it with vinyl, and that will make a perfect platform for your books to rest on. So let's get cracking and put this in place. So using your speed square and pencil, mark out where this platform will go. And then take into account, you've got these little wood inserts that you need to mark out and measure where they're going to be. So just eyeballing it, mark out more or less where they'll be, and we're going to cut around that. There we go. Now using your jigsaw, what we're going to do is cut those out. So now that we know that this fits properly, what we're going to do now is cover this with vinyl. Now be careful when you cover a piece of plywood with vinyl because there's a very smooth side and the other side of the plywood is rough. So the vinyl, the sticky vinyl, might not apply quite as easily to this piece of wood as you'd like. So what I would recommend is that you use a bit of duct tape. Wipe down your plywood using a rag, making sure that there's no sediment on the board. Then lay out your vinyl and cut accordingly. Peel away the backing paper from the vinyl, place it carefully on the table before sticking it to your plywood. Make sure you apply some even pressure right across the board and then fold over your edges. The next step is very important. Use duct tape to secure the edges in place. Cut the inserts for the corners and then secure the other edges using the duct tape. So with your base now finished, you can set that aside and then we're going to paint the box. Now before you get painting this box, what I recommend you do first is remove this rope because it just gets in the way. We're going to put it back in place afterwards. It's easy as that. Pull the knot out and pull it out on each end. Now you can begin the process of painting the slats in any color you like. There you go, your box is all painted up. All that's left to do now is to put it in the base. Just drop that in there and then tie the rope in place. Just remember, go from the inside outward. Twist it through. There we go. And then thread the other end from outside to the inside of the box. Tie a knot. And there you go. And there are your book boxes. This is the smaller of the 2. This is the bigger one. The only difference being is that I put a center division in the bigger box because the books or magazines would fall over if it didn't have that on the inside of it. But your imagination can go wild in terms of colors. Remember, these boxes are available in the gardening section, but we've repurposed it for the purpose of a book or a magazine box. Well, all the products we've used in this insert are available at Builders in store or online. You can also go to our blog on the website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.